morning, Jack. Welcome back to another episode of Yak Thasher, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is getting their 4th of July started out just right. I believe I am. I am standing out in the middle of the Chesty River. Just got everything unloaded. The beautiful new Flint is finally sitting in the water, and I'm about to give it a shot. I'm really looking forward to it. Hopefully get some slime on this boat today. I'm gonna be out here for a few hours. I was hoping to get out here a whole lot earlier, try to get some of that morning bite, but I wanted to sleep in a little bit. But I woke up about 5:45, got here about 6:30. Yeah, should have been a heck of a lot earlier. Probably should have seen when the sun was gonna rise. That's probably would have been a good idea, but I didn't. But I don't care. I'm out here in the river. I'm about to paddle upstream and then come back down, fish all the way back down, guys. I'm really looking forward to it. I was shooting a video last night about some of the few rigging things I did to the Flint so far. But I just haven't uploaded yet or haven't edited or anything. So that'll be coming here shortly. So if you see anything on my boat that looks different, you'll know it whenever I get the other video up. And then, excuse me, Jesus. Guess this pollen's still acting up around here. Whew. But, all right, guys, well, I'm gonna get out here, see if I can get on them bears. I'm really looking forward to it, guys. Stay classy. Catch y'all in the water. Deuces. All right, guys, so I made it through my first big set of shoals. Had to get out and wade and drag the boat up, some of them. The boat's handling fantastically. I mean, I'm going upstream now, and it's just cutting left and right. I feel like I'm not even going upstream. Feels great. Super, super satisfied, super stoked to be back in a NuCanoe. I don't think I've ever been happier. Feels so great. So my plan is I'm gonna paddle up. I think I got 1 or 2 more sets of shoals and then start fishing back down. I started to fish a little bit down there where I put in at, but I felt like I was wasting time and trying to get up here and hit all the good honey holes that I know of, that I usually always catch fish at. So that's kind of where I'm headed to. But really, I'm just enjoying just paddling the new boat. Feels great. Super stoked. What's up, guys? So I finally made it up to the next set of shoals. I'm trying to look past to see if there's any way if I could drag it up and then, you know, paddle up a little bit more. I'm running close up on time, so I might just focus on this side from where I took out to here, and kind of fish all the way down real slow. Drop the drag chain down and get to work. I'm gonna get everything set up. Try to get the best footage I can, but it's hard whenever I got my tether attached to me and the boat's just going everywhere and the camera's still in the boat. So bear with me, we'll make it happen. Let's do this thing. By the way, guys, I want to tell y'all a little secret. That little honey hole right there, that's Dean Boland's favorite spot. Yeah, buddy. Told you secret there, Dino. Alright, guys, I just had to show you I was reeling my worm back in, and it popped while it was moving, so I'm gonna try to throw the swim bait out there, see if I can get him again. Try to get y'all set up. Hopefully I can get this footage right here. Oh, I love this fish, buddy. Oh yeah, it's a shoaly. Oh dude, pull and drag like a mean dude. Woo yeah. Oh my God, I am home. I am home, hit on a dang good swimming. Dude, that's a toad, dude. Woo. That's a striper. No way. Good God almighty. Holy shit. Oh my God, dude. Oh! Get it in the boat! stupid rattle traps, man. Look at that bad boy right there. I'm not even going for striper. Check that out. Boom, doggy. Boosh. Good God almighty. Love me the chest tee. All right, guys, so I was not expecting to get that sucker in the boat or just to me in general. And just hit like a big old shoalie, and then it started fighting like shoalies. Like, this got to be a mondo. It just happened to be a striper on a bluegill swim bait. Bluegill swim bait, Academy Sports Special, baby. Man, that fires me up. God darn, I love to be back on the river. Oh! Please tell me you saw that. God darn, that's another one. That's another striper. God darn. Oh no, dude, that's a shoalie. Is that shoalie? That's a spot. Good old spotted bass. That's a good one right there. Yeah, buddy. Boy, guys, I hope y'all saw that, because I got the swim bait off of him, flopped right in the daggum water. Who cares? I'm catching fish. Second cast on the swim bait, baby. Alright, guys, so I got retied back up. I didn't have another Academy Special bluegill swim bait, so I just switched to this little crawl crankbait. Similar, same color, so hopefully they'll hit on that. See what I can get. Sun's starting to poke above the trees, so probably switching back to shaky head here shortly. That's what I'm talking about right there. Woo! This little bugger is feisty. Whew! God bless. Thank God that's gone. Woo! go. Good spot. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for the big 4th of July bass slam. Didn't want to call it a bass slam in the beginning because I didn't want to come out here and just not catch no fish. But I caught each bass or each species of bass for this river. It's freaking awesome. I've never caught a striper on this river. I knew they've always been in here, seen people catch them, never have. But that has OB smacked that swim bait. It was pretty awesome, guys. And then I had that spot that flopped off right when I got at the boat, but you should I have to check my footage, but it should have been on there. And then I caught another shoal bass, or I caught a shoal bass in the shoals. And then I caught another spot down here right past the takeout. All in all, fantastic day. Great 4th of July. I've never been out on a holiday like this. Obviously, you got to get out here in the morning or all the crazies get out. But it was a good time. Super stoked about it. I had a really good time. The Flint did phenomenal. I knew it would. I had all the faith in the world in it. But it just showed whenever it was out in that water, it showed 110% that it's what it's made for. It's smashing them bass, guys. But I hope y'all guys are liking this stuff. Please, guys, please subscribe, like this video, comment, share, send it to the world, because there's a lot of people trying to get out into the kayak fishing world because it's blowing up like crazy right now, and just like everybody knows. So share this video, send it to your friends, and guys, hit me up on the socials and I'll come fish with you whenever I get a chance. Like I said, my work's been crazy, but it's starting to slow down, so good thing and a bad thing. A little bit good thing because I get to do a little bit more fishing, but kind of a bad thing because I still need that moolah. Still need that moolah. I got to make something happen right there. But guys, hope all is doing well. Hope everybody has a fun and safe 4th of July. And guys, don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Stay classy, keep them tight lines. Deuces.